वैसे तो ऐसी बहुत सारी जगह है जहाँ पे मैं पहले कभी नहीं गया हूँ, लेकिन आज मैं आप सब लोगों को एक ऐसी जगह पे लेके जाने वाला हूँ जहाँ पे शायद ही आप लोग कभी पहले गए होंगे। लेकिन उससे पहले थोड़ा इंट्रो तो हो जाए।
Good morning people, how is everyone doing? So before going any further in this vlog, let me introduce myself. I am Didul Bora and I am from one of the most colorful state of Northeast India, that is Assam. Well guys, I always wanted to vlog but it didn't happen, and finally I have realized ki abhi nahi to kabhi nahi. So finally I'm here. So lately me and my friend have planned a trip to Zuko Valley, which is one of the most beautiful valley located in Nagaland. So yeah, just stay with me, don't go anywhere, let's have fun together. Alright guys, so the plan is such that till Dimapur station we will be going by train, and after that we'll try to take the most convenient means of transportation to reach Jakhama, which is around 70 km from Dimapur station. So yeah, keep coming and let's have fun.
तो हम लोगों ने जर्नी जस्ट शुरू ही किया था, लेकिन एक सीरियस बट फनी वाला इंसिडेंट हुआ। चलिए I'll tell you क्या हुआ।
So guys, including me, we are a group of 5 friends going in this beautiful trip, and unfortunately one of my friend couldn't catch the train at Difu station. So yeah, we are waiting for him and he'll be reaching here by like 10:30 I guess.
तो कुछ टाइम बाद हमारा बिछड़ा हुआ यार एक प्राइवेट व्हीकल से पहुंचा दीमापुर। फिर हम लोगों ने साथ में ब्रेकफास्ट किया एंड उसके बाद हम लोगों ने बुक किया अपने लिए एक व्हीकल जो हमें लेके जाएगा जाखमा।
भैया आपका नाम? इना तो कितना टाइम लगेगा वहाँ तक? 3 hours लग जाएगा ना? Alright guys, are you excited for the trip?
Yes!
How is the juice? How is the juice? Okay. So after almost an hour of continuous journey, we have stopped here for a tea break, and everyone is enjoying the tea right now. So guys, after traveling all the way from Dimapur for 3.5 hours, we have reached our base camp where we will spend the night, and yeah, I'll show you the homestay. Just stay connected.
So guys, Dawn Homestay काफ़ी सुंदर है and from the price point it's quite affordable. They charged us only 700 per head including breakfast, lunch and dinner. So yeah, at that price Dawn Homestay is highly recommended. तो फिर उसके बाद हम लोगों ने चेक इन किया, नहाया, फिर लंच करके कीगुएमा का वाइब्स एंजॉय करने निकल गए।
Okay guys, after having the lunch, अभी हम लोग ऐसे ही निकल के आए हैं घूमने के लिए रास्ते में। As you can see, the weather is pretty good, and I think I haven't introduced my friends yet. So here's my friend, Mr. अरे कहाँ गए रे? Vikas.
Hello, hello.
So here's Vikas, and here's my little bro, Suraj.
Hi.
And here's none other than Mr. Medhi.
And also
So how are you feeling, Mr. Medhi?
I'm feeling very well.
Okay, so here is another friend of mine. He's also a blogger. So he's
Hello guys.
Mr. Dhruvaditi.
Hi.
So he's also a vlogger.
My channel name is the Polestar
Okay,
Assam.
okay, don't forget to check out his channel,
The Polestar
the
Assam.
Polestar Assam. So we were supposed to go to Jakhama today,
बट कुछ गड़बड़ी हुआ, तो हम लोगों ने सोचा कि यही जखामा है एंड हम लोगों ने अपना रूम यहीं पे बुक कर लिया। एंड अभी पता चला कि दिस इज़ नॉट जखामा, दिस इज़ एक्चुअली कीगुएमा, इफ़ आई एम प्रोनाउंसिंग इट करेक्टली. So that means again we have to travel some more kilometers from here till the point from where the Zuko Valley trek starts. So yeah, this is the scene right now. So people, I'm feeling very tired right now. So that's enough for today. See you tomorrow in the morning. Good night. Good morning people. It was an extremely tiring night yesterday we had, and today we woke up to this beautiful morning. So the plan for now is विस्वेमा तक हम लोग को फिर से ट्रैवल करके जाना होगा, एंड फॉर दैट वी हैव ऑलरेडी बुक वन प्राइवेट व्हीकल. सो उसके बाद ही हम लोग का ट्रैकिंग स्टार्ट होगा टिल ज़ुको वैली. सो या, स्टे कनेक्टेड, कीप कमिंग, लेट्स एंजॉय टुगेदर. ओके, वुड यू लाइक टू शेयर समथिंग?
Oh yes, thank you.
Only this much. This is something about.
I'm lucky and then happy to host your team.
Okay, thank you
Come
so much.
again.
Yeah, you will come back again,
Please,
and we
please.
will take our friends also. Okay,
must,
we
must.
really enjoyed your hospitality, and we enjoyed the place also. So thank you so much from my side and from like all my teammates.
My pleasure. Eagerly waiting for your next return.
Okay. Thank you so much. Okay. Bye bye, Dawn Homestay. Alright guys, finally we have reached the point from where the actual trek to Zuko Valley starts, and as said by the local, it will take us around 3 hours to reach the final point. And yeah, I'm panting right now, and yeah, I'm pretty much excited too because we have never done it before. So yeah, चलिए enjoy करते हैं ट्रैक को. Let's have fun guys. So this is the trek. Man, it's quite tiring since we haven't done it before. So yeah, maybe that's why we are feeling very tired.
It's not very easy.
Yeah, it's not very easy, and I'm telling you again and again guys, this trek is not very smooth. But जाना तो होगा ही, अभी इतना दूर चल के आए हैं, तो without seeing the valley we are not going back. Am I right guys?
Yes, man.
Woo! We won't be able to capture, I guess. We are feeling extremely tired. Okay.
But you will be better when you.
Okay, so how far it will be from here? How much time it will take?
From here, 1.5 hours. It's like this. Then 2 hours. It's beautiful.
Okay.
Okay. And you take a breathe. I mean, sit for 10
Okay.
minutes. Then go.
Okay.
Okay. Have fun.
Bangalore. Okay, so you are going back today, right?
Yes. Have fun, guys.
Okay, safe journey. किसी ने कहा है कि डेस्टिनेशन से ज़्यादा जर्नी को एंजॉय करना चाहिए, बिकॉज वंस यू रिच द डेस्टिनेशन, उसके बाद एंजॉय करने के लिए खाली डेस्टिनेशन ही होता है, लेकिन इन द जर्नी वी मेक लॉट्स ऑफ मेमोरीज एंड वी क्रिएट एपिक मेमोरीज, राइट? सो या, राइट नाउ आई एम एंजॉयिंग द जर्नी. अभी मैं हाफ रहा हूँ बहुत ज़्यादा, लेकिन फिर भी एंजॉय कर रहा हूँ. तो पता नहीं अभी और कितना दूर है, but as said by the local people, it will take us around 3 hours. So no problem, we have whole day, and yeah, we will make it to the point for sure. Keep coming guys, don't skip the video. Let's have fun together.
So after trekking for about 2.5 hours, finally we are at this beautiful viewpoint. Look at the view, man. It's quite stunning. It's awesome. Woo!
In my geography studio, and there will be a music studio. हमको पानी मारता है, हम जब मारेगा तो पानी नहीं.
Alright guys, let me share something. I have always been a music enthusiast and I love playing guitar and keyboard and especially singing, and I run a YouTube channel in the name of Waves of Thee, where I have posted around 80 or 90 cover songs, and yeah, I have around 900 or 850 something like subscriber. So yeah, if you want to know about my music, my cover songs, then you can just check out the link given in the description and you can get access to all my cover songs. So from here the trek is quite smooth. We have completed the rough trek. Now we are heading to the main valley. Alright guys, finally we made it to the top of Zuko Valley and the vibe is 1, 2, 3. Awesome!
तो आज रात हम लोग रहने वाले हैं यहाँ एंड एक्सेप्ट सूरज किसी ने टेंट कैरी नहीं किया तो हम लोग सोने वाले हैं यहाँ. बट गुड नाइट बोलने से पहले लेट्स एंजॉय द ज़ूको नाइट. इन ज़ूको वैली सुबह सुबह का नज़ारा कुछ इस तरह का होता है. एंड इफ़ यू आर प्लानिंग टू कम टू ज़ूको वैली, आई वुड लाइक टू टेल यू वन थिंग, डोंट मिस द सनराइज.
So finally it's time to say goodbye to Zuko Valley and we are heading back to our base camp right now. So yeah, actually while coming back from the viewpoint it started raining, so जो भी था साथ में सब कुछ भीग गया and the visibility was not so good, so I couldn't vlog properly there and I felt quite tired yesterday. So अभी हम लोग का जर्नी यहीं पे ख़त्म होता है. So guys, since this is my first vlog, I don't know how have I done, and if you really enjoyed my vlog, don't forget to subscribe my channel, hit the like button, share your feelings in the comment section, and yeah, just keep supporting. Bye bye guys. Hazarvati loy, oi hazarvati loy, oi biyapati juti lo bi jardino to, ketha komboloy, oi ketha komboloy.